Learn English to Gujarati future forms. Become, I will, you will, and
બનવું.
welcome to future you. Hey, you are about to time travel with grammar. And luckily, no expensive machine is needed, only your ears and a tiny bit of courage. Today you will learn how to say become and several future forms in Gujarati. Your star word is
બનવું.
meaning become. We will also play with
હું કરીશ.
for I will,
તમે કરશો.
for you will,
તી કરશે.
for he will,
તી કરશે.
for she will,
થઈ જાય છે.
for it becomes,
અમે બનીશું.
for we will become,
તમે બધા કરશો.
for you all will, and the given form,
ઝી વર્ડન.
for they will become. Yes, one of them looks like it took a wrong bus, but we will still learn it. The magic banana becomes king. Let's make the main word unforgettable. If this section feels silly, perfect, your memory loves silly. Imagine a banana wearing a crown and shouting, I will.
બનવું.
King. Ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. The word
બનવું.
means become. Things can.
બનવું.
Better. A shy student wants to.
બનવું.
Brave. The sky can.
બનવું.
Dark. Say it with me.
બનવું.
Again.
બનવું.
Nice. You are already becoming dangerous. Dangerous to forgetting. I will, you will, everybody will. Now we build your future speaking superpowers. You do not need a cape, but if you have one, this is your moment. When you want to say I will, use
હું કરીશ.
example, I will try again.
હું ફરી પ્રયાસ કરીશ.
When you want to say you will, use
તમે કરશો.
example, one day, you will do it.
એક દિવસ તમે કરશો.
For he will, use
તી કરશે.
example, he will help us later.
તી પછી મદદ કરશે.
For she will, the same useful form appears.
તી કરશે.
Context tells you whether it means he or she. For you all will, use
તમે બધા કરશો.
That is what a dramatic coach yells before a game, preferably while pointing too much. For we will become, use
અમે બનીશું.
together.
અમે બનીશું.
A great team. When it changes. This one is great for everyday descriptions. Also for talking about soup, weather, and your motivation at 8 a.m. To say it becomes, use
થઈ જાય છે.
when water boils, it becomes steam.
થઈ જાય છે.
By evening, the sky becomes dark.
થઈ જાય છે.
If you practice enough, hard things become easy. Your confused face.
થઈ જાય છે.
A proud face. That is the dream. Mini dialogue at the future cafe. Let's hear the words in action. Imagine a cafe where everyone orders tea and grammar. A. What do you want to?
બનવું.
B. I want to.
બનવું.
Stronger. A. Will you help? B.
હું કરીશ.
A. I am nervous about tomorrow. B. Do not worry.
તમે કરશો.
A. Who will finish the task? B.
તી કરશે.
A. Who will lead the project, Rena? B. Yes.
તી કરશે.
A. What about our team? B.
અમે બનીશું.
Excellent. A. And the whole class? B.
તમે બધા કરશો.
A. And those students in 10 years? B.
ઝી વર્ડન.
Yes, we are honoring the exact given form, and yes, the cafe waiter is confused too. Quick fire quiz. You are up. Answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of a parrot who somehow knows grammar. What is Gujarati for become?
બનવું.
How do you say I will?
હું કરીશ.
How do you say you will?
તમે કરશો.
How do you say he will?
તી કરશે.
How do you say she will?
તી કરશે.
How do you say it becomes?
થઈ જાય છે.
How do you say we will become?
અમે બનીશું.
How do you say you all will?
તમે બધા કરશો.
How do you say they will become, using the provided form?
Ch.121.
Your tiny challenge. Let's make this practical before your brain sneaks off for snacks. You can do this in 1 minute. Say these aloud. I will practice.
હું કરીશ.
You will improve.
તમે કરશો.
We will become better.
અમે બનીશું.
It becomes easier.
થઈ જાય છે.
Finally, create your own sentence with.
બનવું.
If it sounds slightly dramatic, even better. Thanks and keep going. Nice work, future language legend. You showed up, practiced, and that already counts as progress. Today you learned.
બનવું. હું કરીશ. તમે કરશો. તી કરશે. થઈ જાય છે. અમે બનીશું. તમે બધા કરશો.
And.
Ch.121.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing a little every day, say the words out loud, laugh at the weird examples, and soon Gujarati will.
થઈ જાય છે.
More natural for you.